What happens if your spouse tries to reverse the divorce? Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. Sometimes after divorce paperwork is filed or even finalized, one spouse decides they want to backtrack. So what happens if your spouse tries to reverse the divorce? Let's break it down. In California, once a divorce is finalized, meaning the court has entered the judgment, you can't undo it. You would have to get remarried if you wanted to be legally married again. But if the divorce is still in progress, there may be ways to stop or delay it. If the petition has been filed but not finalized, the person who filed can request to dismiss the case, but only if the other party hasn't responded or agrees to the dismissal. If both parties don't agree, the case usually moves forward. We've seen situations where one spouse had second thoughts after filing. In one case, the spouse tried to stop the divorce after judgment had already been entered. Unfortunately, at that point, the divorce was legally complete and reversal wasn't possible. At Divorce 661, we help clients navigate this kind of situation. Whether you're trying to move forward while your spouse resists, or you both want to pause and reconsider, we make sure your paperwork reflects your actual intentions and that nothing moves forward unless both parties are on the same page. The bottom line? Divorce isn't something you can casually undo once it's finalized. But if the process is still underway, there may be options, depending on where you are in the timeline. If you're in the middle of divorce and your spouse wants to reverse course, or you're not sure what your next step should be, visit Divorce661.com for a free consultation. We'll help you understand your rights and what's legally possible.